happened?
Small indulgences.
That was weird.
That makes them feel good, but I do think that people will be more conservative.
Hey, Morgan.
Americans adjusting their taste.
What are you doing? You're so goofy. You goofy.
No, you're goofy.
Yeah, you goofy.
Thank you for being with us. I'm Brian Williams. A reminder, we're back
I'm
on
gonna
the
turn
air
this
at
off.
8 Eastern, 5 Pacific.
You goofy. Yeah, can you show everybody how you stand? Can you show everybody how you stand? Come on, goofball. Show everybody how you stand. Can't get. What are you doing? You're silly. Whoop! You fell down.
Where are you going?
You're trying to. You can't get your drink upside down. Can you take a drink? Milk. Yep. See, cow's milk. Moo. Moo. Show everybody how you stand. I don't see you. You're goofy. You're silly. Oh, you're off the video camera. You're just being goofy. Whoa, careful. Yeah? You gonna dance? Can you show everybody how you dance? Yeah, you dance. Whoa, careful. Can you show everybody how you stand up? Can you show us how you stand? I don't know what this goofy mood is. Oh, another sip. Throw that head back. There we go. Okay. Now stand up. Not climb. No, you don't want to stand. That's okay. You don't have to. Oh.
And you're all...
More milk. A milk break. It does the body good. Hi! Goofy ball. I think it'll look closer to you. You want to give the camera a kiss? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No? Oh, bye-bye. There you go. Bye-bye.